Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, thank you so much for stopping by. And today we'll be working with KissLove here. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous body wave unit. Today I'm wearing their wear and go body wave unit in the 5x5 pre-cut lace version. It is 250 density, and as you guys can see, this hair is absolutely stunning. In today's tutorial, I showed you guys how I installed my KissLove wig unit, as well as how I did the layers and curls to get my curls looking like this. This hair is really nice and full, and I talk so much more about the wear and go technology. This wig is 100% glueless, you guys. So as you guys can see, it's not going anywhere, and also 100% glueless. So if you are a beginner, this is a beginner stream, and let's get into installing today's tutorial so I can show you how to achieve this glueless, effortless, gorgeous wavy look from KissLove hair.
Just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. Not just chemicals inside my brain. I think that not just chemicals inside my brain. 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 I think there's
from KissLove or this spray that I typically use, because this unit is 110,000% glueless. If you have a bigger head than mine, it'll be glueless. If you have a smaller head than mine, it'll be glueless. And I'm a 22-inch standard cap. And honey, when I tell you, this hair is super full, thick, full of life. It's not going down, it's not going nowhere anytime soon. I love this unit. The hair is very nice and soft. It feels lustrous. It's shiny. You guys can see everything about the volume. I went ahead and I did some tiny layers in this, which makes a world of a difference when it comes on to body wave units. You don't want to just go ahead and curl, because you'll just have everything on one level and you'll get waves at the end of the day, versus the layers, it helps to have the curls last longer, and when it falls, it doesn't fall like waves, which I love. Honestly, I'm having no problems, no shedding, no tangling. This hair, I can run my hands through it and the curls still stay the same, so that is a plus, and it's still nice and full. So KissLove, you guys ate when it comes onto this unit. It came pre-plucked, so I did not have to do any sort of plucking on this unit. All that you see right now is KissLove's work. I did nothing but to just install the unit, cut my layers, do my curls, and this is the end result. It is super easy, as you guys can see. It's not going anywhere. It's really nice and snug fitting, and you know, staying true to the glueless nature of things. So right now KissLove is having sales going on. It's sale season. It's the end of the year. We're having Christmas sales, Black Friday sales, 11/11 sales. It's just a whole bunch of stuff going on the KissLove website, so don't forget to click the links in my description box, and as always, I will be leaving coupon codes below. This is just a little treat from me and KissLove to you guys, so don't forget to go ahead and check in with that description box to purchase this gorgeous unit. Super beginner friendly. If you are a beginner, this works perfect. And that is all, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.